As you see, I spent a lot of money for these sets and cameras, and right now I can tell something about it. So let's start it. Welcome on the channel. This is my third video about reversing or rear view cameras. This is from the previous videos, and right now I came to the point so I know something more. As you see, I have two cameras outside. One is this in the lamp is to show when you're reversing, just something below the van, and second is rear view camera. Better camera. And let's say standard camera or whatever you want, how you want to call it. We switch again. Okay, I will try to. I cannot change the angle of this worst camera, it have to be down, of course, but I will try to change the angle of this second camera just to compare. I don't know, it's hard to compare picture on picture, yes. But anyway, you see how huge is the difference. So this is this standard camera. You can see how, you know, it's a harder but still it's a low quality. This reflects from white, and this is HAD camera, so quality is nearly incomparable. Right now is a bit less of sun. Change it. Unbelievable, but it looks like that. This camera inside the third braking light I inherit with van. It was inside the van when I bought it, so I don't choose it, but when I try to find any information about this stuff, I found so it's nearly impossible. You know, you take a look, nothing about the resolution, anything like that. If you dig deeper, sometimes you can find so this is 600 TV lines, and that's it, nothing more. Of course, it's full of beautiful words about everything, how well it works, but it not works at all. So what I think, this camera is not cheap. It cost over 50 quid. It depends for who, but for me it's not cheap at all. After some research, digging inside the information, of course I try to buy something cheaper. Finally, if you buy have to buy 3 sets, it's not cheaper, but anyway, I found, so I have to use HID camera, so something like that. To tell the truth, is more bigger choice, no more, it's more cameras, but bigger choice on Amazon than eBay. But of course, still it's hard to find any description, because this is only HID resolution technology and that's it. Nothing about the real resolution in both dimensions, etc. And still is full of, how to call it, not perfect information, because this is a high resolution. But to tell the truth, when you compare, the video resolution of the camera is higher usually than video resolution of display, or they are not matching. Thank you for watching. I hope this short video helped some people spend less money on reversing cameras than I spent. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See ya in the next video.